In this video, you will learn why Facebook ad copy is important. Facebook ad copy are the words or the written content that we find above our image or video on the ad. There are formats or structure to write Facebook ad copy, which we will discuss in another video. The ad copy is important because through this copy, we can persuade people to purchase our product or service. We can write about the benefit of the product or service, why people should purchase our product or service, what problem our product is going to solve, and much more. The copy can be written to evoke emotions, elicit happiness, put fear, and evoke many other emotions. The length of the Facebook ad copy can be long or it can be short. There is no rule to this. Some product or services require longer copy and some require shorter. Some audience like or trust longer ad copy and some shorter. It really depends on the product or service, the price point of the product, the age of the audience buying the product or service. There is no set rule here and no right or wrong here. Copywriting is an art and anyone can learn how to write copy or teach themselves how to write ad copies. Write in the comment, was this video useful? Subscribe this channel to get more videos on Facebook and Instagram ads.